Hello everyone, welcome once again in today's maths class, and our today's topic is addition, and we are going to learn three things. First, finding the missing numbers. Second, adding 4-digit numbers with regrouping, and lastly, adding more than 2 numbers. Children, I am sure you are finding this lesson easy as it is you are aware of the rules. Children, when we are adding, I told you earlier also, we need to know how to read maths. So if you look at exercise 3.4, the first thing you are required to do is fill in the correct digits in the boxes. That means you are going to find the missing digits. Children, by now we know that addend 1 and addend 2, when we add addend 1 and with addend 2, it gives us a sum. We know that. Now children, maths is a game of numbers. Here, if you see on this page, this entire thing is addend 1 and this is addend 2, and here we are going to write the sum. Now children, if a question mark is here in addend 1 and it is not given to you, so how you are going to find it? You are going to subtract addend 2 from the sum. That means 8 minus 7 is 1. So you are going to place 1 here. Now in order to check it, if you want to cross check whether you have done it correctly or not, how you can do it? 7 plus 1 gives 8. So this is the way how you can cross check it. Alright. Now children, here what is missing? Addend 2 is missing. So the procedure remains the same. The way you found addend 1, the same way you are going to find the addend 2 also. 7 is given to you and 2 is given to you. 7 is the sum and 2 is the addend 1. So how you are going to find it? 7 minus 2 is 5. Now, if you want to check whether you have done it correctly or not, what you are going to do? You will again add addend 1 with addend 2 and you will see whether you get this 7 or not. 5 plus 2 is 7. Yes, that means this is correct. Now come to the third digit. Addend 1 is missing. So how you are going to find? I have told you earlier also. Now 7 minus, So children, here what is going to come here? 3 minus 3 is 0. Now check whether your answer is correct. 3 plus 0 is 3. Come to this part. 3 plus 1, we all can do it. Addend 1 is also given, addend 2 is also given. You can easily find the sum. 3 plus 1 is 4. So children, this is how you find the missing digits. Alright, now on page number 39, this is your page number 39, exercise 3.4. The first one I have already done for you. Now you all are required to do B, C and D in the book itself. It will give you a good practice. Now children, let's move on to the next thing. Today I am going to explain you how to add 4-digit numbers with regrouping. Earlier you have learned to add 4-digit numbers, but it was without regrouping. That means you were not carrying over the numbers. Now here, I know you must be knowing it, but let us all revise it. How to do it. Now children, see, for I have taken one example. Add 5643 and 3929. Now children, the first thing what we do is we arrange these numbers in proper columns. That is our first thing we should do it. Now first number is 5643. I have placed it here on top, and just below it you are going to place 3929. Since these both numbers are 4-digit numbers, so I have placed them and there was no problem as such. Alright, now let's add it. 9 plus 3 is 12. So I'll put 2 here and I'll carry 1 here. Alright, then 4, 5, 6, 7. this becomes 7. There is no carryover number, so leave it as it is. Then you have 9 plus 6 is 15, 5 and 1 is carried here, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now this becomes 9572. And children, always bring one thing into practice, that whenever you are carrying the numbers, just encircle your carryover number so that it is clear to you all while you are doing your work in the test and exams. You are not confused. Alright, so children, this is how you add 4-digit numbers with regrouping method. Now the last one is addition of numbers. When you have more than 3 numbers, how to add more than 2 numbers or 3 numbers. Here I have taken the example of 3 numbers. So this is one number, this is another number, and you have this third number. Children, now what is the first thing I am going to do? I am going to arrange these numbers in proper column. That means the arrangement of numbers is our first duty. I'll put 2149 at the top, and just below it I'll put 3872 also. Both of them are 4-digit numbers, and the last number which you have is 273. This is 3-digit number. So I will place it, I will not write here 273. This is wrong. But then this 3 will be placed in ones place. This is ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. This 3 will come here under ones, 7 will come under tens, and this 2 will come under hundreds. Now you can add it. One carry, 19, 1 carry again, 12, 1 carry and 6. So this is your sum. So children, today's class was simple. We have learned 3 things: how to find missing numbers, how to add 4-digit numbers with regrouping method, and the last one was adding more than 2 numbers. So children, that's all for today. I hope you practice well at home also.